Hi, welcome to Daydreams of Quilts on YouTube. Today we are making this 3D fox that I found in Cricut Access, the software that you get with your Cricut Maker. So my husband and I decided to make this for our daughter's birthday next weekend for her party, and it did take most of the day. So I'm going to give you my tips on what worked and didn't work. You do need 12 by 12 paper for the orange parts of the fox. The other two colors you can use 8.5 by 11. And you do need the Cricut scoring blade, as well as the fine point cutting blade. And this is all the pieces that you're going to be working with once they're all cut out. So I'm sending it over to the Cricut to start cutting the first color, which is the white color, and I have it on the light grip mat. I have a pen loaded and the scoring blade loaded, and all of these instructions will be on your computer screen when you're making the project. So it actually took close to an hour for me to get this all processed through the machine, so you're going to want to allow an hour just for that part. And right now the scoring blade is making all the scoring lines on the project. And here now the pen is going to be putting all these little numbers onto the pieces, and those numbers are needed so that you can attach the different parts together in the right spot. You basically need to match up the numbers. So the pen is writing out the numbers onto the back side of the fox. And this is what the scoring blade looks like with the quick change housing. So I'll put a link for that in the description below. It'll be a Cricut affiliate link. And if there's any other Cricut links in my description, they will also be affiliate links. So I may receive a small commission if you choose to purchase through my links, which helps to make more free videos on YouTube. So I appreciate your support. So at this point in the project, we are now using the cutting blade. So I've switched out the scoring blade for the fine point cutting blade. And then this is what all of the white parts look like when they're finished going through the machine. So now we're going to move on to the next color, which is, well, I started out with black, and I didn't have the silver gel pen. So the black was showing up on the paper, but I forgot to tell the Cricut that I was using 8.5 by 11. So it went past the edge of my paper, and I had to cancel the cut and start again. So here I am with brown now, which worked out better anyway, because now you can really see the numbers on it. And that was the first color change that I made on the project. But I'm actually quite happy with how it turns out in the end. So here's all of the brown pieces that are cut and scored and have the numbers on them. Okay, so here I am with sort of a tan color. I had started out with this bright orange. I think the tan is more fox-like anyway. It's kind of a muted orange. So we're ready to cut the last pieces. And I did have to switch to that tan color because it was 12 by 12, and you do need the 12 by 12 for this part of the fox. So here's our pieces laid out on the table, and we're starting to put everything together. The instructions say to use a hot glue gun, but I'm out of glue sticks for the glue gun. So we're using glue dots, like for scrapbooking. And that was sort of working, but it wasn't going to hold together for the long term. So my husband ended up using some really strong double-sided tape. At this point here, I am putting the fox head together. I've got the ears done, and I'm doing the chin. And my husband was helping me by working on another part of the fox. I believe he's working on the main body of the fox here. So it was a two-person job. But here is the fox in the end. He was finally finished at 4:30 this afternoon. So he's ready for the birthday party next weekend. We're very excited about that. So it was a challenging little project. I wouldn't say it's for little kids, but it's super cute in the end, and we're very happy about it. So thanks for watching. See you next time.